Hello, folks. Welcome to this episode of Scratching with Jillian. Jillian's here again. She likes this basket up here all of a sudden. Holly was here. She's over there on the floor.
Yeah.
Bathing, I think, or chasing her pet mouse, one or the other.
She was rolling around on her back before.
Holly, what are you doing?
Oh, her chicken leg is...
Oh, I'm washing my legs.
Yeah, my legs are dirty.
And Jillian is half asleep, half awake. She says, I'm not into this filming thing, but I'm here. If you folks like me, you want any more Jillian time? You got Jillian time. She's a deluded calico. You're a rescue, huh, Jilly?
Yeah.
You were rescued.
She got some new diet food. I think she's slimming right down.
I think you're crazy.
I think Holly lost weight. I'm not sure Jillian did.
So we have my some of my favorite tickets here, the 88 Fortunes. I like these tickets. I found a store that still has them. And we have, tickets 23. We have a few tickets here. We have 5 of them. 23 to 27.
Cool.
Yep.
All right, let's look for a diamond with it. 88.
You got it. Reveal that little symbol, which to me is a coin, but it's a circle with a dollar sign in it. Win the prize automatically. You get a 2x, 5x, or 10x. Win that times the prize. Or the 88 diamond wins $88. We've gotten that actually a few times.
Yes.
We've done pretty well on these tickets over the past year and a half or so. So with that, let's see.
Start scratching.
What we've got, and they're funny little symbols. All right, looking for any of those symbols. Excuse me.
Turtle.
No. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Cherries. Piggy bank. It's a lime or a lemon. And the bar. That's a peach. Look at that. 88 with a diamond. A coconut. A money bag. Should be worth something. That's 7. How about some calico luck here, Jilly? Her eyes are, now they're closed.
She's sleeping now.
She's sleeping. She says, I don't wake up for this. You just happen to be filming while I'm sleeping in this basket, she says. I'm not here for the filming, I'm just here. Strawberry, lucky horseshoe, the cassette tape, or credit cards. That's the kiwi, and the ship. So, no win on the first ticket. Please out.
Okay.
Loser pile.
All right. Next one.
Now for the winners.
Now for the winners.
Strawberry, pineapple, that's the pear, that's the purse, and the apple.
You know what else you can get, Scratch? You know what else you can get on these?
Okay.
You can get coins.
Right, it's that funny looking dollar symbol there that you're looking for the win.
Yeah.
We call it a coin.
We call it a coin.
Lemon.
Because we like coins.
We like coins.
Got
That's
a few
plum.
coins.
And a bell. And a 7. Come on, looking for a big win. You can win up to $1 million in this ticket. 4-leaf clover. An orange. And a peach. And cherries. We had a fruit salad going here. And again, put a ship.
All right.
All right, nothing on that ticket. To the loser pile.
We're looking for coins.
Jilly moved. She's awake. Looking for coins.
Looking for coins.
Multipliers, coins. I love them. I've gotten 5. We actually got each of those X's a few times on this ticket. Piggy bank. We want that 88 with the diamond cards. Gold bar. Oh, she heard something. Clover. Purse. Strawberry. There's the turtle. The bell. The cherry. Kiwi. Jillian, what's up? Oh, I see Holly's making her way around over here. Going to the
Here
kitchen.
she goes.
Always around. That's what Jillian probably heard. She's awake again. That basket's just a little bit small for you, Jillian. No, she says, if I fits, I sits. That's the rule.
That's it.
Apple, coconut. That's the safe or the vault. The plum.
Oh,
Chocolate fountain. All right.
Holly. Jillian.
Jillian, how about some luck over here, Gigi?
Send some luck over.
Oh, jelly
You
beans?
send some Jillian luck?
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
Why are you calling her, Holly says? Holly, can we have some luck from you then?
Come on, shoot some out your eyes.
Laser cats.
Yes.
Like
laser
Saturday Night
eyes.
Live. All right, here we go. Ticket number 4. There's the chocolate fountain again from the Viennese table. The vault.
Pineapple.
I thought that was with feathers on a parrot. Pineapple. Grapes. First time we saw grapes tonight.
Yeah.
The peach. 4-leaf clover.
Usually stands for luck.
I hope. There's the bell. There's the chips.
Haven't seen the chips tonight either.
No. Strawberry. The pear. The
Come
credit
on, we need a
cards.
coin.
Multiplier coin. There's the gold bar, which should be worth something. Butter. Nope. Coconut.
Coconut.
Piggy bank.
Oh my goodness.
My goodness, my goodness.
That's 4 tickets.
Watermelon,
My
wow.
goodness. We're on our 5th one.
Ticket number 5.
All right, this one's got to be the one.
All right, here we go.
What's she doing?
She's just sitting there. Cherries. Come on, I'll take anything.
Lucky 7.
7.
No, I want a coin. Safe. Oh.
Pineapple.
Very pineapple.
Very
With
pineapple.
feathers on the top.
I thought it was a bird's head at first when
What's
that was
that?
covered over.
What's that
That's the lemons. Lemon.
Lemon. Come on. Oranges.
I saw the episode of King of Queens last night where Doug buys the ice cream truck to invest their tax refund.
Yeah.
As his investment, he buys an ice cream truck. It's the funniest I haven't seen that in years. Remember that episode, folks? That's the best. Funniest episode when he buys the ice cream truck. There's the purse. Plums. Come on. This is ticket number 5. There's the ship. Peach.
Wow, one more row.
Whoa. We're running out of luck here.
Oh, there you go. There's your 4-leaf
Four-leaf
clover.
clover.
Give you some luck.
Strawberry.
Oh my goodness.
The pear. Oh, wow. What a bad run. The bell. And the apple.
Oh my goodness.
5 up and
5
5
tickets.
down. Can you believe that?
5 tickets.
That's been a long
Jillian.
time since we've lost on 5 tickets, huh, Gina?
Yeah.
I can't believe we lost on all those tickets. If you like what we do, folks, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. There's an address down below if you want to send Holly or Jilly any fan mail. They like getting fan mail. And if you want to send us any tickets from your home state or country, use the same address. We'll make a video for you, give you a nice shout out, and if we win, we'll send those tickets right on back to you. And we'll throw in a Holly scratcher. Don't you or we'll call it just a scratcher, huh, Jilly?
It's a Jilly scratcher.
But it has Holly's picture on it.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, Jillian. You say goodbye? Nope. But I'm watching
No, you don't say
everything you
anything.
do.
Yeah, I'm just watching you. You're a watcher.
People have been asking for more Jillian, more Jilly
There you
beans.
go. This is what Jilly does.
28
She
hours a
sleeps
day she
a
does
lot.
this. 28 hours a day.
She sleeps in the daytime. She sleeps in the nighttime.
But she would love to go outside someday because she knows she can get that chipmunk.
Yeah, she would. She would go outside if she could.
Neither one of them go outside, though.
No.
All right, folks. That's it. Sorry we lost. Take care. We'll see you next time.